Okay, so last night, these two outstanding gentlemen decided to come to my house, grab a pair of bolt clippers, snap open the lock to my garage, look right into my camera, open up the garage door, and proceed to steal a bunch of my stuff. So, here's the thing. I could get really upset about this, and I could get mad at just... but you know what? I've decided to have some fun with this, and you know what? I am going to science the crap out of this, because that's what I do. So, in these types of situations, the police can only be so helpful that they're not going to run out and, like, look around for these guys. So I have to kind of take that into my own hands. Unless I can get them a license plate number or more information that they can act on, they can't do anything. So, here's what we are going to do. We're going to do our best armchair amateur forensics on this, and I'm going to offer a very, very special reward, something that you probably haven't seen before.
Hello there.
Okay, so this reward was inspired by MIT's Red Balloon Project, and this is how it works. So, not only am I going to offer money to the person who eventually gets a name of these guys so we can turn them into the police, but I'm going to offer rewards to everybody in that people chain that led to that lead. So, you see this, you're like, I don't know who these people are. You share it. You share it with somebody. Susan. Susan's like, I don't know who these people are. And she shares it with, I don't know, Fabricio. And Fabricio's like, that's my cousin Lawrence. He's burglaring too much. He needs to go to jail. Here's his name. Here's the truck license plate. So every single one of those people in that chain are going to get a piece of this pie. So share this or don't. But I want to catch these guys, because wouldn't it be fun to just catch a criminal? Wouldn't that take a bad situation and just make it a fun thing to do? I think so. Hope you're all well. Stay safe. I'm Anthony Lund. Email me at anthonylund@gmail.com. Connect with me on all the blah, blah, blahs at anthonylund_. Let's catch some crooks, yeah?